I've always had a dream of one day having a farm, but I live in New York City, and at 36 years old, I hadn't ever grown a plant on my own in my life. Jumping right into a new way of life was not exactly practical. I can be fickle with hobbies, and I have a full-time job here in the city. What I did have was a south-facing balcony and a global pandemic that gave me a lot of time to think and ultimately learn about what it would take to try to grow some starter vegetables at home. Last February, during a really dark and cold winter when I needed something to hold on to, I made myself a promise. If I could successfully grow vegetable plants from seed to harvest, enjoy the process, learn what it takes even on a small scale, if I could practice, then one day I could maybe allow myself to really build the farm I have been dreaming of. I planted seeds, and to my amazement, they grew and grew. And when spring and summer came, I moved my seedlings, tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, sweet peas outdoors, little by little, and watched miracles happen every single day on my balcony in New York City. Every vegetable I grew was a treasure to me. The feeling was so profound that I could create life if I just tried. And by the end of season, I knew I had achieved something for myself that felt really different than anything else I had ever done. And even the hawk moths had found their way to my plants to enjoy some of my end of season tomatoes. This year looks different for me. I moved. I made sure to find a place with a terrace. I even have water and power this year on my balcony. So I invite you to join me for season 2.